Developing now, Dr. Anthony Fauci says the U.S. response to the coronavirus pandemic is, quote, going in the wrong direction. Testifying before a Senate committee, the infectious disease expert said the outbreak is out of control in some parts of the country. Dr. Fauci said the infection rate could reach 100,000 per day, more than double the current rate. Mississippi is also seeing an uptick in cases. Desiree Duncan is live with a breakdown on the latest COVID numbers and what local doctors have to say.
Good morning, Rhonda. As people begin preparing for the 4th of July holiday, maybe even making some beach plans, health officials are warning and reminding people that the pandemic is far from over. Statewide, Mississippi has seen over 27,000 cases and more than 1,000 deaths. On Tuesday, 47 of the state's 680 cases were reported in the lower 6 counties, most of those concentrated in Harrison County. And one of the state's 14 new deaths reported Tuesday was also on the coast in Harrison County. Now, many are worried about another spike. The head of the WHO saying the worst is yet to come. And many local health experts say he likely wasn't even taking in consideration the 4th of July holiday when he made that statement. Now, medical leaders worry that we will see another surge. The Singing River Health System now releasing a warning statement about the increasing number of positive COVID-19 cases on the coast. CEO Lee Bond says much of the spreading is in social circles and people living in the same household. Bond believes people are ignoring COVID-19 symptoms and not isolating to avoid infecting others.
People have lost focus on basic things like we've seen a decrease in hand hygiene. Mostly we've seen a decrease in people, if they're sick, if they've got some mild symptoms, wearing a mask. And if we could emphasize one thing, it would be if you have the most mild symptom, get tested and isolate.
Bond also says that more younger people are testing positive for COVID-19, but are not requiring hospitalization and thus infecting others. Now, meanwhile, New York is adding Mississippi to its quarantine list. That means that if you're traveling to New York from Mississippi, you will be required to self-quarantine for 14 days. So some states taking some precautions there. We'll, of course, keep you updated as this pandemic continues. Live in Biloxi, Desiree Duncan, WLOX News Now.